Welcome to Automate Business. In this video, we will learn how to create roles and permissions and how to add a user in the Automate Chat app. So first, we will understand what user roles and permissions are in the Automate Chat application. They help you control what each team member can access and manage in the system. For example, you can decide who can view chats, who can send campaigns, and who can manage settings in the Automate Chat application. This is useful because it helps you manage your team better, maintain security, and assign responsibilities clearly. So first of all, you need to log in with your Automate Chat application using your ID and password. Then click on the More button. Here you will see the Team Management option. So click on the Team Management button. Here you will see Roles and Permissions. Just click on the Roles and Permissions button. Once you click on Roles and Permissions, you will be able to see on the right side Add New Role. Just click on Add New Role. Here you need to simply give the name, that is, the role name you want to give to your team member. For example, if I'm creating the role for the senior manager, you can define the description and then click on Next. After that, you will see a few pages on the left side called Channels, Inbox, Contacts, Campaign, Automation, Team Management, Webhooks, and Media. For example, in the Channels, if you want to give the channel access to the senior manager for the View channel for the assigned channel. And for the Add Channels, Delete Channels, you can simply give the channel access to that senior manager. After that, you will see the Inbox icon. You can provide access to the Inbox, Contacts, and Campaigns for View, Add, Edit, Delete, and Trigger. So this way, you will be able to simply give access to all the options that we have in the Automate Chat application. Once you provide access to all the features or to the specific feature as needed, click on Update Role. Once you click on Update Role, the user role will be updated in the Automate Chat app. Now you can see the senior manager role has been created successfully. After which, how to add teammates to the Automate Chat application. Just go to the workspace member on the left side, or you can click the More button at the top of the screen, then click Team Management, and then click Workspace Member here. So once you click on Workspace Member, all the users already added to your Workspace account will be visible here. That means all the users will be visible here who are already added to your Automate Workspace account. If any team member is not added here, in your Workspace account, you can simply add the team member on the top right corner by clicking on the plus Add Member button. Once you click on the Add Member button, this is the user add form. You can simply fill out this form. You'll be able to create the user role in the Workspace account. You can mention the first name, last name, the 10-digit phone number, and the email address here. Enter the email address of the user or team member and create the password by generating it. So using this particular email ID and password, your team member will be able to log in with the Automate Chat application. Click on Select Role. Here you can simply select the role as admin or whatever role you have created. All the roles will be visible here. Simply click on Save. Once you click on Save, your user will be added to the Workspace account. Once your user is added to the Workspace account, you will see a plus icon. After adding the user to the Workspace account, you must add that user to the chat members so they can manage the chat. So how to add that user to the chat member? Just click on the Add Plus button on right corner. Then you can simply select the role you want to give to the team member and click on Add. This way, you will be able to add that particular team member to the chat member as well. There is one thing you need to make sure of. If the user is already added to the Workspace account, and if you want to add that user to the chat members, then just click on the plus button. Then you will be able to add that particular team member to the chat members. So this is how you will be able to create the roles and permissions and add the team member to the Automate Chat application. I hope this video will be advantageous for you.